Azimio leader Raila Odinga has landed in Usenge, Siaya County to attend the burial of comedian Fred Omondi. Thank you and welcome back to Fred Mwangi TV. Kindly subscribe, like and comment and share this video widely. Now, Fred is the younger brother of popular comedian and activist Eric Omondi. Fred died in a road accident on Kagudo Road on the morning of June 15, 2024. Police said that accident happened after a boda carrying Fred was involved in a head-on collision with a speeding bus around 6 a.m. Raila is accompanied by Siaya Governor James Orengo and National Assembly Minority Leader Opiyo Wandayi, among other top ODM leaders. Raila is making his first public appearance since Gen Z stirred the country with a wave of anti-finance bill protests. While Raila had called for the rejection of the Finance Bill 2024, he did not voice his views about the protest. However, Raila condemned the state's use of alleged brutal force against the protesters. He said, "I am disturbed at the murders, arrest, detention and surveillance being perpetrated by police on boys and girls who are only seeking to be heard over taxation policies that are stealing both their present and future. We had hoped that the government would show goodwill and humility and at least listen to the country's children. Instead, every dissenting opinion has been dismissed and ridiculed by government officials and ruling party politicians, and such dissenting voices are now being silenced by brutality and murder." And now, thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, like and comment and share this video widely. My name is Fred Mwangi. Let's meet on the next one.